अमेरिका डोंकी खातर आए थे भाई, 4 जने बचे भाई हम।
Imagine this, you have the good old American dream. You reach out to a travel agent who promises to give you a work visa for US. All you need to do is pay 42 lakh Indian rupees. Now you somehow pay the amount and allow yourself to see the big dream. And just before you think that you're close to that, you are informed that you did not get the visa. Your travel agent has other plans for you. You are soon put on consecutive flights from Delhi to Qatar and then Brazil. What follows is pure horror. Today we will narrate some gruesome details of Indians like these. This is a story of Harvinder Singh, a native of Punjab. Now he was one of the 104 Indian migrants who were deported back to India. You have heard about them, right? Now let me tell you something that you don't know. In Brazil, Harvinder Singh was told that he will be put on a flight from Peru to United States. But there was no such flight. Cabs took him and many others like him to Colombia. That is where the donkey route started. And it's not just Harvinder Singh's story. Another deportee, Sukhpal Singh, claimed that he was forced to walk 40 to 45 kilometers in one day. He saw dead bodies on his way. People who were injured were left to die. Many others reported similar horror. The migrants who survived the deadly journey usually exit via a small village in eastern Panama. But their journey does not end there. To get to United States, migrants have to cross about half a dozen more borders where they face the risk of being stopped or deported. For these 104 migrants, the nightmare didn't just end there. They were placed on a US military flight, reportedly shackled and handcuffed to be deported back to India. Upon landing in Amritsar, the group of 104 deported migrants hailing from Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat and beyond were given one last taste of their cold, hard reality. The agents they trusted, the dreams they chased, all turned to dust. They weren't in US living the life they had imagined. They were back in India, deported by the very country they had hoped to call home. The consequences of this journey weren't just felt by the migrants, but their families back home. Many of them had borrowed huge amounts of money, sold land or mortgaged their homes, all in the name of helping their loved ones start a new life in the US. Now they were left holding a bag, crushing debts that would take years to pay off, with no one to hold accountable. In the end, Harvinder and many others like him weren't just victims of a broken dream, they were victims of ruthless agents who preyed on their desperation and false promises. Donald Trump has passed a strict law against illegal immigrants. But let's see what these people actually have to suffer on their dangerous journey. They had to cross the Darien Gap. Now, no, this is not a fun hike or trek. It's the most inhospitable region in the world. Look at the map here. The Darien Gap connects North and South America. It's a 100-kilometer stretch of dense rainforest, mountains and swamps that crosses the border between Colombia and Panama. The Darien Gap is known for being one of the most dangerous migrant routes in the world. The area's wildlife, including crocodiles and venomous snakes, add to the dangers that migrants face. It's not just the geography and wildlife of the region that is deadly, but there are several criminal gangs in there. There is no guarantee of one's life there. But despite the danger, people do it with families and kids. Now look at these horrific images. In the year 2024, over 3 lakh migrants crossed the Darien Gap into Panama. The numbers were higher in the year 2023 when more than 5 lakh migrants crossed the Darien Gap en route to the United States. 55 people died crossing the Darien Gap in 2024, including 10 people who drowned in a swollen river. 180 unaccompanied minors were abandoned in the Panamanian jungle in 2024. The reality is grim. It's not just the reality of these 104 Indians. It's the reality of thousands of people who took the donkey route and now are being sent back.